when an album as influential and weird as Trout Mask Replica gets re-released by Jack White and Company, you tend to do something crazy and sign up for your first ever Third Man Records vault. So let's open this, dig in, and check it out. Fast and bulbous. Ooh. Compared that to the old copy that I had. And inside the bag, we can look at, this is vault package number 36. What all is included in this? And a little bit of a write-up on this special release. Very weird. You can hear it in the background going. But let's actually look at the vinyl itself. I've heard that it looks beautiful.
Bore me 7 babies with snapping black eyes and beautiful ebony skin. House man's eyes flow out water, salt water. I'm going up all the mountains over the woods. It ran down all my kin. Folks I know I'm next. Wildlife along with my wife. Wildlife. Wildlife.
Written by Jack himself on some nice sparkly purple paper. And if you would like your own Trout Mask, there is a replica Trout Mask. And then the nice inner booklet here, which has some nice drawings, as well as some of the lyrics. Man, it's weird. And it is a double LP. Beautiful splatter color in there. This turned out perfectly. Well done, Jack. It is bizarre indeed. And if you are thinking about listening to this album, I would definitely recommend it to you. It isn't the easiest of listens. It took me probably 6 tries to finally listen to it from front to back, but it's one of those things where even if you hate it, you have to respect exactly how it was made and the fact that it exists at all. I won't give away too much, but to say that this is a gateway drug would be pretty accurate. You might find yourself able to listen to some weirder jazz, some kind of obscure folk stuff, whatever it might open up, just let it happen. So let's compare this once more. That was kind of the B-sides and demos, but here is the new Third Man Records version, and there's the old one. Job well done. Third Man, I might have to keep my my subscription going.